The Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw is an item for serious preppers. You'll need outdoor survival skills such as knowing how to build a shelter, etc. with the wood and material you find in the wild. That's what the pocket chainsaw is for. If you need to saw wood into smaller pieces for your fire or to build a makeshift shelter, the pocket chainsaw is far more effective than an axe. Most people think that using an axe is easier, but it's not. A saw is always more time and energy efficient. Besides just using it to build shelter, this pocket saw may save your life. While this is a bold claim to make, let's look at a few scenarios. If you're trying to evacuate the area because of an impending hurricane and a tree has fallen across the road and is blocking your path, this pocket chainsaw will help you to saw the tree into half so that it's easier to move the log. All you need to do is secure the log with some paracord that acts as a tow line, and your vehicle can drag away the log. This is easier done with smaller logs, and the pocket saw will help you saw a big log down. Another more brutal application is that the saw can be used as a weapon. In fact, a pocket saw is given to soldiers in most military units. Besides just being saws, the flexible nature of the saw makes it a garrote that can be used to dispatch enemies silently and quickly. While you probably will not need to do that, survival situations can get hairy. You never know what could happen. The Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw is very popular on Amazon and has a high rating along with hundreds of customer reviews that are mostly positive. The saw does its job all right. Unlike cheap knockoffs, the Sportsman saw doesn't break, and most importantly, the saw chains are long enough to cut bigger logs of wood. Most pocket chainsaws are about 14 inches long. The Sportsman model is 36 inches long. What does that mean? It means that your strokes will be longer, and coupled with the bidirectional teeth, the sawing process will require less effort and be much faster. The chainsaw is self-cleaning during the sawing, so it will not get clogged fast. Constructed with a high-carbon chain that's 65 millimeters thick, the teeth can be sharpened with a chainsaw file. The saw will last you a long time. The handles with the rugged cross stitches will give you a much better grip during the sawing process. This is a top-shelf product, and the brand, Sportsman Industries, has been featured in the media such as Fox News, NBC, CBS, and several others. This is a credible company. The saw is extremely tough, highly durable, and yet compact and portable enough to easily pack in your bug-out bag. You can't go wrong with it. You can give it a try and see if it works for you, because the product has a lifetime guarantee. If you're not satisfied with it, you can get a refund. This is literally a risk-free purchase. The saw is so good that Sportsman is willing to assume all the risk. The pocket chainsaw is definitely worth getting and trying out.